Hey! No. I feel naked in front of the. Look at A-Cam! Look at all the nonsense you can see. What is this?
Thank God you decided to wear pants today of all days.
Yeah, it's a good call. I'm glad. This is the walking pad.
Have you ever played DDR before?
Oh, no.
It's not like that.
Oh, good. I really don't understand what you've got here.
I don't understand how you don't.
Is it literally just a pad, like a stationary treadmill?
There you go.
To be clear, it is a foldable stationary treadmill.
You like foldables?
I do, but not.
It looks like
It's a Moto Razer.
It looks like a razor from the bottom. It's a fucking phone.
Wow, and look, it has less crease than the regular.
It actually is the Motorola. Holy shit.
You also have some lube.
Where do you put that?
I assume on the parts with friction.
That's not fun.
Oh, okay. How do I change the speed? Oh, it's okay. This is 1 mile an hour, 1.25. Here, do 2 miles an hour. A brisk pace. I mean, it's a treadmill.
Oh, the remote's cool. It'll tell you how many steps, time, or calories burned.
I feel like I'm doing like motion capture for like walking animations in a video game. How fast do you think we can go?
6.
No, this is it.
Really?
Yep.
That's it?
It is a walking pad.
It didn't say the running pad.
It's meant to be used at like a standing desk.
I mean, I feel like I could be gaming right now. I think it'd be a really fun time. How much is the walking pad?
$450.
Ooh, that's almost as much as an actual treadmill.
At least with an actual treadmill, you get something to hold your laundry on.
Wait. I got it. Wait. Hold on. Oh, it knows.
Oh, it can notice when you get off? Ken, do you want to try to be synchronized with me? Look, just Titanic it. It's fine. We're marching. Do, 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 do. We're marching down the road again. The pointer instrument, a precise universal tool designed to last. This is just a mouse, right?
No, it's a pointer instrument. Just a mouse you can get at anywhere for $4.99
Or in the subway.
Very nice packaging. Oh good Lord. That's fancy. I mean, do you fear that is not, it's plastic or it's a cardboard or whatever, but look at this. Oh. That's heavy. This is the mouse?
Oh, let's go.
This is the mouse?
No, that's the pointer instrument.
Look at the detail on this mouse. So it's actually like stitched leather, and then if you flip it over, it's all brass. And I'll tell you, it is incredibly heavy. Whoa. This is cool. I mean, probably outrageously expensive and not worth it, but this is cool. So this is not one of the mice that gives you, a bunch of extra buttons and whatnot. Not even having like a forward and back button, to me, a little bit of a miss. But again, this is not really meant to be like a productivity mouse. This is meant to be a mouse that will make you look cool on Instagram. It's actually not that ergonomic. We'll immediately say that the sensor feels pretty responsive. Supposedly it works on glass. Oh, so here's something else. So they actually recommend you hold it differently. They don't want you to hold it like this. They want you to hold it like here.
So like this?
Yes.
Here's my issue with that. You're kind of arcing your hand in a weird way where you're kind of just asking for some like arthritis and carpal tunnel.
Does come off? Serious? So yeah, you want to be able to get at it for some reason.
I guess you could also clean the leather too,
Yeah.
without having to wet your mouse.
Did you just say wet your mouth? How much is the Lunar Artifacts pointer instrument? I'm gonna say, and I'm not gonna condone this price, but I'm gonna say $149.
Wow, you started with a 1?
Rookie mistake.
This was $242 even.
No, this is not a $240 mouse. I mean, they clearly spent $100 of that on Instagram ads to get you to buy it. It's not a terrible first effort, and I appreciate the idea it's a new company and they're trying to do something different, right? This is a different mouse. It's not bad, it is not terrible. I cannot tell you to spend $242 on this. What is Amigami Ham Ham?
Actually, I don't really know much about the history of this one. Griffin just sent it in the chat with no other context.
Oh my God,
yes. Not released yet, and this is sent directly from Japan.
Why is there a finger in the dog's mouth?
So the whole point of
No. Don't tell me some weird Japanese shit about putting fingers in dogs, okay?
Why do you think I named my dog Nibbler?
Oh.
Oh man, that's... Nibbling mouth, insert your finger in, oh, it feels good. Y'all need to chill. That is one fat doggo. Aw.
At least it's a better spot than the Simba doll.
Yes. Look, man, we have to censor a lot of things on Mystery Tech, but Simba was bad. For the record, Simba's been hiding down here for about 3 years. I'm gonna stuff him and zip him.
And stuff them again.
Okay. That's it! That's it! It's actually kind of cute. We have to ask the Nibble Master, Mr. Nibblestein. It's cute, right? You can try putting it in less and he like almost nibbles more.
Oh my God, that's a bite.
Oh, he even's got like little teeth.
He's got
I
little
didn't
teeth.
expect that.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, he's so cute.
Paper.
A Razer mouse and a Razer keyboard. What is the DeathStalker V2 Pro?
DeathStalker? That sounds like a Netflix special.
So this is their first low-profile optical switch. It's a low-profile version of that.
Before I open this, add that. Low profile? We sure we want to go low profile? Is that the move? That's
Historically speaking, we haven't liked those.
Now, the fact that it is wireless and battery powered is an interesting little wrinkle here. But then if you're going to add the latency of wireless, feels a little strange.
Oh, that's pretty
Quite thin.
thin though.
It's got a nice little scroll wheel. Actually very tactile kind of scroll wheel. I'm gonna take my microphone off right now. I'm gonna put it directly on the table so you can hear what this sounds like for my first impression.
Okay, hold on.
It's not bad. It's one of the better, in fact, it might be the best low profile switch I've ever tried.
As expected of a pre-built, it's not amazing in terms of dampening.
The actual like cut in these keycaps, super clean. Like
Yeah.
the RGB comes through incredibly well.
Yeah, which in a lot of these keyboards, they don't normally do.
Can I ask what the most important question is here? How much does this cost?
It can't be more than the Huntsman.
The Huntsman I think tops out at 200.
$249 for this specific
Get the
model.
hell out of here. No, absolutely not. No.
That's a lot of money.
No.
That's a lot of money. The Key V2. Is this a copy paste little macro pad? I feel like I've seen this on TikTok. It literally is like 2 buttons. It's copy and paste, right? Okay, I don't think the laptop slides across the table, but thanks. Okay, so we've got a very nice little USB-C cable.
Wait, that's probably where the value is.
I'll say it like that's that is $19.99 right there.
You know, I should like program this to like tweet something offensive. Every time I'm upset, I just tweet something offensive.
What?
Just-
Why is that your go-to?
well, that's what everyone else does, isn't it? So I guess I actually have to download some software and program this thing or something.
Here's the thing, if you hit C, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be the C button.
What's the point of saving time? That's not any faster than just me doing it on the keyboard.
The fact that
point.
you're trying to bring logic into
Yeah,
this
that's
device at
the
all
point.
is baffling.
The point is, you don't need a keyboard to program if you steal all of your code with this.
It's a meme, it's
Oh, I
not
just
supposed to
got
be,
this.
yeah.
I got that.
Oh my god.
It's not the real product.
I thought this was a real product.
No!
V, 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 V. Enter. V, V, V. Enter. This is the dumbest item. I thought this was a real thing.
Dude!
It's not my fault if you throw a box and it's already been opened. Get ready to write your own story. Cool. What is all this?
Maybe you should have read it before you threw it away.
So we've got Karst stone paper pocket journal and A6. We've got a stone paper notebook and woodless pencils. What is this?
Wait, recycled stones, isn't that just stone? Would you say that this idea is cool or that it rocks?
I wish I had more stone puns to tell you no. What you're holding is paper made from stone. It saves trees, water, and energy while being waterproof, more sustainable, and infinitely smoother to write, scribble, doodle, and draw on. I'm just gonna experience this paper for the first time, okay? So we're just gonna flip over to one of these pages.
Does it feel like normal paper?
No, it feels like rubber almost. Feel that. Everyone take a feel of the stone paper.
Stop telling me to feel things.
This feels like a raincoat.
You know what this does feel like? It's like test paper. I don't love it, but like, okay. Rocks don't tend to smell.
It smells like a book.
It's a solid graphite pencil. So does that mean that I can write with any side of the pencil, or it needs to be sharpened?
I think you should sharpen it because I think it has the coating on the edge so it doesn't mark your hands.
Ooh, oh, that kind of writes nice.
Does it smear when you rub your hand over it?
No, that's the thing, the coating on the
Not
outside.
that. I'm on the paper.
Oh.
No.
A little
Oh,
bit.
just a tiny bit?
Minor.
Wait a minute, I just realized a massive flaw of these pencils.
Yeah.
No eraser?
No, you're not supposed to rip them out.
No, they don't. It doesn't rip.
It like stretches.
It's like a D brand.
Okay, but
Oh, good lord.
Oh.
Wait, did you say you're gonna keep this, Jared?
Oh, it rips and it actually rips though, but after a while. Look at that's actually really nice.
It's so clean, the rip.
yeah.
I am hardly the person you should listen to when it comes to writing implement advice. It's weird, it's interesting. I'm not totally buying that using stone is gonna be way better than paper, but it's definitely a unique kind of thing. It's a beautiful drawing. Good job, Matt.
Is that a This Is NFT?
I call him Rick.
I think we should be all set.
Feels weird.
This is a momentous occasion, my friends, because this is take one of the first episode of Mystery Take Shot at the new studio.
This is the first one?
Very first.
Wow.
What do you mean it's the first? How do you not know it's the first one? Have you been here for any other mystery techs?
This all blurs together.
What a lovely new set. I'm so excited that we're here.
Oh yes.
That's less than ideal.
RKO. Whoa, okay, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Just woke up all of the termites again.
No, they're sleeping. Just like I'm sleeping on the subscribe button and ring-a-linging the ding-a-ling button. I should fix that right now. Time since launch. Is this a space thing?
This is not a space thing.
It's not a space thing?
No.
Make time your own. A single-use, long-scale launch clock to mark a moment in time. It will count up to 1 million days. I will be dead by then, hopefully.
Hopefully.
1 million days?
It's 2,739 years.
Damn.
I don't want to live to the 4th millennium. Caution, after launch, there's no option to reset. I'm excited by this. This is classic Prime mystery tech.
We should have opened this up when we first opened the building.
That would be great. So it's a goofy, ridiculous, silly item that you should really only buy as a novelty, but also
That looks like a bomb.
It's not gonna look any better once it's open.
it smells like cork.
Not the future.
The future! Everyone
I-
should watch more SpongeBob.
Don't understand what your
No,
accent is.
At least you've seen the episode. Oh!
What is that?
That looks
That's a bomb.
I would not walk into a public place
That is
carrying
actually
that.
a bomb, dude.
This looks like what Doc puts into the DeLorean. There's a chip of some kind, and then you've got the LCDs. How do you program it? Because what it doesn't tell me is how to. There's like no obvious interface or anything.
Well, why would you?
You
You
pull
don't
the
need to.
pin.
You
not-
just pull the pin, and then it's a counter, not relative to your time.
Yeah, do you not understand the?
Oh, I thought it was a count down, not count up. Oh.
What are you counting down to?
I think this is the way we start Mystery Tech Season 2 in the new studio, and everything going forward.
Oh, wait,
We've
no.
been shooting
My
this
God,
for
we are
5
on
years.
7 at least.
No, this is a good idea. How much is this?
Oh yeah, that's a good.
Well, I was hoping you'd pull a pin before I mentioned that. Before you want to return it.
Yeah.
It is $280.
Oh, that's not bad.
That is $300 more than anyone should have paid for this.
I mean,
You can't put a price on time.
you can. It's $280. Is everyone ready to pull
Oh,
a pen?
don't
Start
wait.
off our new era of mystery technology. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it flashed a light at the back.
That scared me.
We are now like 5 seconds in to the new era of mystery tech. Welcome, friends. Subscribe and ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling button, because when this baby hits 88 miles an hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.